Welcome to 88 Tuition. Today's video will guide you through how to use the website. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, click on the Learn button. Select a subject, let's try math, and here you can see all of the topics that you will need for this year. Not that good at algebra and want to revise it? Go ahead and click on that. Or if you want to get ahead of your class and go forward, scroll down and let's try some volume. You will see that every lesson follows a 3 step process. The first is a learning video where the teacher explains the topic. The next is the CAA, which is a quiz based on what you've just learned. Next, you have a review video where the teacher explains the quiz so you can make sure you completely understand. Now, do you need extra practice or want to prepare for that test you have coming up? Go straight to the practice section and challenge yourself. First, select your subject. Then select your topic, let's say algebra. Select your skill level. If you're feeling confident, let's try expert. Pick your number of questions and press continue. Finish the worksheet and you will get your score immediately. We hope you are now feeling confident after going through all of your lessons and all of the extra practice worksheets. Now, simply click on the mock paper on the top right hand corner of your screen. You will find all of the mock papers that you are eligible for, and these should be taken as if they are an actual final exam. So there should be no interruptions and no breaks. Please do reach out to us via WhatsApp or email for any further assistance. Thank you and happy learning.